Welcome to Brilliant ID. Today's video show you how to make fake flight itinerary. Okay, first of all, I want to know what is flight itinerary. Uh, a flight itinerary is a document that contains the schedule of the flight that you are planning to take your destination country and back your home, and that you have a safe seat on a flight for a particular number of days. Okay. Now what we want to know, what is the difference of flight itinerary and the real ticket? Difference between, so I Google in difference. Okay, there are common. Okay, flight itinerary and flight ticket are the same thing, and in reality, they are two very different documents that serve other purpose. A flight itinerary is simple schedule of flight, while flight ticket is actual document that allow you to board the plane. So, flight itinerary is not a real ticket. It is one kind of fake ticket because it is not in online, and flight ticket is a real ticket. It available in online. Okay, so today's video show you how to make fake flight ticket. This is a fake flight ticket. This is the actual ticket, but I make it editable flight ticket for you. You can edit this document. For example, this is a passenger information. You can, for example, first of all, I copy the whole document, then paste it. So now here you can edit your name. This is a second name. For example, second name is, for example, Ibrahim, and first name is Jubair. So you can, this is the PNR. You can edit the PNR as well, and you can edit the this airlines. This use Bangla Airlines. You can give the different airlines as well. For example, if I want Qatar Airlines, for example, Qatar Airways. So first of all, you need to download the logo, Qatar Airways logo. And one more things, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, also press the bell icon. Okay, thank you very much. For example, first of all, you need to download the this one, the logo first. How to edit, I show you the full, and I give the editable file, but you can get this editable file after subscribe my channel. Okay, after subscribe, you personally mail me, you need this one. After that, I send it to you. Okay. First download the logo, then you need the address. For how to get this address, Qatar Airways, you need to find out the office. Qatar Airways in for example, Qatar Airways in Dubai. For example, Qatar Airways in Dubai. Okay, you search it, then you get the location from here. Okay, uh, Qatar Airways in Dubai. Qatar Airways office in Dubai. You search this. You get the office number and as well. So, and this is the address you want. Okay, Port Salat. This one you copy. You need to copy this one. You need to copy and sorry. First of all, you need to copy the whole things. Copy and paste. Now you need the email number. I think you can find it, and you need the email address. Now I think you can get the email address as well. For example, okay, I search it, Dubai email address. Okay, Dubai email address, Qatar's email address. I think you can get the email address from here. I got this already. This is the email address. They copy the email address and paste it. Okay, show you how to edit this one, because nobody show like this. Because if you buy the flight itinerary from website, it takes $10. It $10 to $20. So I give you the free. Then you need change this one. For example, you can change this one. Use Bangla. You can give the Qatar Airlines. Okay. Here the copy. For example, here is the copy the Qatar Airlines. To copy Qatar Airlines. Qatar Airways. So copy Qatar Airways. So this is the capital Qatar Airways. Now here is the PNR number. You can fake PNR number. Okay, and you can edit your the issue date as well. Okay, and here also same way you need sorry, I need to change the logo. I think you can do it. Logo, nobody show the whole details. This is the logo. I think who knows the MS Word, he can do it. You can delete this one, delete this one and paste it here. Paste it here. This is the process. You can do like this and copy. Bolt and airlines you can change, and this is different airlines here, so you copy this. So you have to change this. Okay, just like this, copy and paste, copy and paste, and also insert the logo same way. I think you understand how can you do it. I don't show the whole process. From which country you can change the capital city and the airport name, and to where you go, and you can change the name of the country and their airport. So you like this, you can edit this file like this. I will give you, if someone wants this file, please email me, I will give you personally. Okay, so thank you very much. Hopefully it is like for you, it is helpful for you. So thank you very much. Bye bye.